Hello student. Today we'll continue the same chapter, conservation of plants and animals. We have completed till the ecosystem. Today we'll begin with the red data book. What is a red data book? It is the source book which keeps a record of all the endangered animals and plants. Red data book is maintained internationally by an organization. India also maintains a red data book for plants and animals found in India. So there are nine clearly defined categories into which every taxon in the world is classified and recorded in Red Data Book. Next topic is migration. What is migration? The seasonal movement of animals or birds from one region to another region is called migration. Often a large group of people or animals or birds migrate to another places in order to live and work, also for food and shelter. There's a Tawa Reservoir. Okay, it is in MP, in which many migratory birds could be seen. These birds have flown there from other parts of the world only every year during a particular time because of climatical changes. They fly for laying eggs as the weather in their natural habitat becomes very cold and not pleasant for them to live. Now, here are some questions you can see. What would happen if we had no wood? If there any alternative available to wood? I know that paper is one of the important product we get from forest. I wonder whether there are any alternative available for paper. Let's see. Recycling of paper can help us out. This is another cause of deforestation. About 17 full grown trees are required to make 1 ton of papers. Therefore, we should save papers. Paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times for use. And if each student saves at least one sheet of the paper in a day, we can save many trees in a year. We should save, reuse, use papers and recycle it. By this way, not only we save trees but also save energy and water needed for manufacturing paper. And in this way, the amount of harmful chemicals used in the paper making will also be reduced. By plantation of trees, we can improve their life and fulfill essential needs of mankind. Trees clean the climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the environment and releases oxygen. Every year, the National Festival of Trees Plantation, that is called as Van Mahotsav, is celebrated in India, that is held annually from July 1st to July 7. Each every tree that is planted in an important is an important and meaningful gift to future generation. Is there any permanent solution to the problem of deforestation? Yes, reforestation is the answer. Now, what is reforestation? It is restocking of the destroyed forest by planting new trees. The planted trees should generally be of the same species which we found in the forest. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut. Reforestation can take place naturally also. If the deforestation our area is left undisturbed, it reestablishes itself. Now, if we have to retain our green wealth for future generation, plantation of more trees is an only option. And what is reforestation? Restocking of existing forest and woodlands which have been depleted, an effect of deforestation. Now, in India, we have the Forest Act for conservation. This act is aimed at preservation and conservation of natural forest and meeting the basic needs of the people living in or near the forest. In forest, it's advisable not to stay after the sunset. And these are the forest rights or act given. You can see over here. livelihood and occupancy right, right to water bodies and flora and fauna, settlement and conservation rights, right to conservation, intellectual property rights and traditional knowledge related to biodiversity, rehabilitation and settlement rights. That's all for today's video, and the chapter completes here. Thank you.